Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 11th English Medium, subject Chemistry, chapter number 1, some basic introduction of chemistry. Now today we learn topic name is percentage composition. Percentage of composition. First understand what is meaning of percentage of composition. For example, when we use percentage of composition, it means for example we have to take an unknown compound and we have to find how many elements in presence and particular elements have how many percentage in a compound. Or opposite, you have to know that what is percentage present in compound, so you can also find first the unknown compound. It means unknown compound to find percentage of particular element and opposite particular percentage of element, you can also find unknown compound. So percentage of composition is most useful in chemistry to find element percentage to compound or a compound to element particular percentage and information about mole, some concept, so easily information about this. So in this situation we have to use percentage of composition. How to find percentage of composition? So understand with one example. You get H2O. So first you have to find mass of given compound. It means molecular mass of given compound and then find percentage of compound. So first molecular mass of H2O, it means 2 multiplied by atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen 16. Therefore 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 grams. So molecular mass of H2O is equal to 18 grams. So how to find? So percentage it means multiply by 100. So particularly here we have to find what is percentage of H and what is percentage of O. So first percentage of hydrogen atom and next time percentage composition of oxygen atom. So first we have to find percentage composition, mass of hydrogen, percentage of mass of hydrogen, H and percentage of mass of oxygen. So percentage therefore multiply by 100 and in down part total mass and upper part given mass, given atomic mass. So here number of particles, here H is 2 moles H, therefore multiply by 2, and atomic mass of hydrogen atom is 1 divided by total mass means 18. So you get some answer here. Fine. Now it's clear by O, number of O is only 1, therefore 1. Atomic mass of O is equal to 16. Multiply by percentage means 100 and divide by 18 and you get also one number. So find percentage of hydrogen is 11.18 and in a 88.79. So 88.79 and 11.18. So get answer. So equation is percentage mass of element is equal to number of mole, you can also number of particles multiply by atomic mass, number of particles multiply by atomic mass of atom or element multiply by 100 divided by total total mass. Which mass? Molecular mass. So remember equation. First, hydrogen mass means total mole of or particle of hydrogen in compound. Compound means H2 here. 2 moles, therefore 2 multiplied by 1 percentage, therefore 100 divided by total mass of molecule, it means 80. In similar way, you can also solve with an example of ethanol. Ethanol means CH3 CH2OH. It means number of carbon is 2 mole, number of hydrogen means here 5 mole, number of O and number of H. Number of O and number of H. So how to solve? First, molecular mass of given compound and then find particular mass of percentage composition. It means total carbon is 2, atomic mass of one carbon is 12, so total 2 moles, therefore 2 multiplied by 12 plus 5 and 1, how many? 6, so H is 6H multiplied by atomic mass of 1H multiplied by O means 16, so you get atomic mass is equal to 46 gram of compound mass. This means down part you can take value of 46. In up part, for carbon, how many moles? 2. Therefore 2 multiplied by carbon. Carbon means atomic mass 12. So 2 into 12 into 100 divided by 46. You get answer. In similar way for find H. H means 6. So number of moles is equal to 6. Therefore 6 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100 divided by total mass of compound 46. So you get mine similarly. Now, in similar way you have to find this term. Next topic is empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula and molecular. So first understand empirical formula. Empirical formula, it means total number of element present in compound in a simple ratio. It means total number of element atom so in a simple ratio. Understand it another example. For example, you get glucose, formula glucose C6H12O6. Understand with molecular formula and empirical formula for both. And before understanding this basic meaning of empirical and molecular formula. So empirical formula means total number of element in a simple ratio. In a molecular formula, particular element simplified by fixed simple ratio. It means all elements have a fixed simple ratio for particular element, and here whole total number, it means whole number of element or atom in a simple ratio. It means all compound formula in a one simple ratio, and in molecular formula. So molecular formula can particular element contain particular fixed ratio. Understand it example. So here we can take C6H12O6 means glucose. So glucose, this type of equation we can write down. So is represented that molecular formula. And now simplify glucose in a form of empirical formula. So CH and O, how many portion? 2:1. 2:1. It means 6CH2O is represented that empirical formula. So all in one ratio, and H is double, then CNO. So CH2O is an empirical formula, and molecular formula means particular number. So how get molecular formula from the empirical formula? The molecular formula multiply by n into empirical formula. Here n means simple number. Simple number. Not a mole, this type of not meaning. N means simple number. So here multiply by which term? 6. So n is equal to 6, therefore 6c, 6 into 2, 12, h and 6o. It means n means simple number, and molecular formula is equal to n multiplied by empirical formula. Or another way, n is equal to molecular formula divided by empirical formula. You get also find mass of empirical formula and molecular formula. Similarly, here we can find molecular mass of H2O. So in similar way, you also find molecular mass of empirical. It means empirical mass, and here you find molecular mass. How to get? So how many carbon? 1. Therefore 12. Plus how many hydrogen? 2. 2 into 1, 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus O single, it means 16. So 14 plus 16, it means 30. So answer is 30 is a empirical mass, and molecular mass means C into 6, 12 into 6 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. So answer is our molecular formula. So basic difference between empirical formula and molecular formula. So remember this and use in an example. All understand the topic and use in an example. So let's start with one example and find molecular formula from using this concept. So this topic, it means percentage of composition, molecular formula, empirical formula, all are used. Why we study? So use in a percentage composition to unknown compound find, or opposite known compound to find how many percentage of particular element. So in case you get known compound and find particular percentage of element present in compound, so use this all topic. Now all topic using example and solve example by using this concept. So in example we have to given 4.07 percentage. Example 4.0 percentage H hydrogen. Another value 24.47 percentage of carbon, hydrogen, carbon. Another you have to value given 71.65 percentage of chlorine. So 3 percentage. Now find molecular mass of all compound. Another value is molecular mass. It means total molecular mass. You have to given 98.96 grams. So let's start with example and find molecular formula and empirical formula of both compounds. So here only percentage. It means first percentage to unknown compound and opposite unknown compound to percentage. Both are calculated. So first step, it means step 1. First step is percentage converted into gram. Percentage converted into gram. How to convert it? So hydrogen have 71, 24 and 4. Total is 100%. So 100% is equal to 100 gram. Therefore 4.07% is equal to 4.0 gram hydrogen. Next 24.47% is equal to 24.40 gram carbon. 100% is equal to 100 gram. Therefore 4% means 4 grams of hydrogen. And last 71% is equal to 71.65 gram of chlorine. So second step, grams converted into, it means converted into mole. So step 2, gram into mole. So how to convert it into mole? Hydrogen, mole of hydrogen, mole of carbon, mole of chlorine, mole of hydrogen, carbon and chlorine. So mole of hydrogen, how to find mole of hydrogen? So mass of hydrogen divided by atomic mass, given mass divided by atomic molecular mass, or the atomic mass of hydrogen. So given mass is 4 and atomic mass is, hydrogen is 1, so answer is 4.07. So similar to answer is 4.1. Next, mole of carbon. How many? Given mass of carbon is equal to 24. Given mass of carbon is equal to 24.47, and molecular mass of carbon is equal to 12. So 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2.02, is nearly 2. Now mass of chlorine, how many mass of chlorine? Given mass divided by molecular mass, given mass is equal to 70.65, and you have to take chlorine, we know that 35.5. So value is similar to 2.02, similar to 2. Next step, you have to find least number. It means all converted into least number. So step 4, step 3 divided by least number. It means small number. So you get ratio of hydrogen, carbon and chlorine. Hydrogen, carbon and chlorine. So least number is 4, 2 and 2. So least number is 2. Therefore 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. Carbon means 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. And chlorine is also 1. Now find least number to find an empirical formula. Step number 4. Empirical formula. So empirical formula is how many carbon? 1. Hydrogen is 2 and chlorine is Cl. So CH2Cl is a empirical formula. After empirical formula, you get find empirical mass. Next, empirical mass is equal to carbon means 12 plus hydrogen 2 plus 1 Cl 35.5. Sum of all number, so you get 49.5. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 35, therefore 49.5 grams of empirical formula, empirical mass of CH2Cl. Next step, find mole and find the value of n. It means simple number. So find value of n. So n is equal to which? You have to then n is equal to molecular formula divided by empirical, molecular mass divided by empirical mass. So molecular mass is equal to divided by empirical mass. Molecular mass we have to given 98.96 divided by we have to find out 49.5. So value of n is equal to 2. So we have to find molecular formula is equal to n multiplied by empirical formula. So 2 multiplied by CH2Cl. So answer is C2H4Cl2. C2H4Cl2 is a molecular formula. So revise once again. First, percentage into percentage, now converted into grams. After completing grams, converted into simple ratio, divide by, so we get empirical formula. After empirical formula, you find empirical mass, then find n, multiply by empirical formula, you get molecular formula. So revise and practice itself. More example. Thank you very much.